Quintana lays it up, gets a 2 point.
Fourth quarter.
That's now 27 Carmine. Bounce pass. Race with the ball. And there's a way to traveling violation. That's now Quintana for the basketball. Pass the ball. Metro for 3. One goal for the put back. Doesn't work. Let's get a rebound. Labao. Labao number 25. Pass to number 19. Perer. Inside pass. Reyes. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Quintana. Quintana lays it up. Gets a 2 points. 53-31. That's number 27. Very good. Rebound by Quintana. Quintana again. Basketball. Pull up jumper. Put down. Gets a 2 points. Quintana. 31-55. That's number 7. Basketball. Labao. Wala. Rebound by Reyes. Wala pa rin. 14 seconds to shoot. That's inbound. Carmen again. Wala pa rin. That's rebound by Metro. Pass to Quintana. That's number 2 pass block. Metro wide open. Lee won't go. Let's get the rebound. Francisco the ball. Cross court pass. 10 seconds to shoot. Now get the pull up jumper. Rebound by Reyes. Foul jersey number 5. Francisco. At 1:55. Yeah, 7 minutes. Number 7, Carmine inside pass. He has a 2 points. 33-55. That's number 2, Quintana with the ball. One of it, wait. He has a 2 points. Quintana. That's number 7, Carmine. Wala. Rebound by Petra. Petra to Labao. Now with the steal. Labao ngayon number 25. Ipinasa mo na kay Reyes. Reyes. Wala. Carmine gets a 2 points. 35-57. That's number 23. Substitution. Labawat. Labawin. That's number 3. Let's get the rebound. Quintana. Quintana number 2. Pass of the move. Quintana pen free. Cross court pass. Metra hit the ball. Has a block. Rebound. Has a 2 points. 59-35. That's number 7, Carmine. High pass. Then to shoot. Reyes will 3. Rebound by Francisco. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Yeah, shot clock for Quintana. That's a 2 points. That's number 27. 61-35. Rebound by Metro. Passing down by number 27, Carmi. Labao. Jumper for 3. Rebound by Francisco. Yes, now Reyes. Carmi. Raise it up. We're good. That's out of bounds. Okay, last time out nyo na yan. The fourth quarter. That's number 2 with a high pass. He lays it up. That's 2 points. Time out. El team for 5. That's number 10. Web over the ball. Webo lays it up. Rebound. Last touch. That's number 2. Quintana. 10 seconds to shoot. Last touch. Welcome now to 25. Labao. And a crossover. Ay, traveling violation sa import landing. Quintana crossover move, pick and roll play, 3 points, wala. Rebound, taken away by number 3. End of a pass, top of the ball, Quintana with a dot to ball, 2 points. 35-65, isang buwang kalamangan. 2 minutes and 30. Quintana naman, puro ito Quintana, hot na court, wala. Palos up, Luwid. Quintana pa rin. Fade away jumper. Wala pa rin. Quintana pa rin. 2 points. Kapag bakis po yun. 35-67. Pasok rin na kay Picturan. Labaw. Wala. Last rebound. Last. Quintana naman. Wala. Rebound. Inside pass. Basket count and a foul. 37-67. Foul by number 5. 1 minute and 30. That's bonus throw. And a rebound. Ayan naman, Quintana. Yes, 2 points. Labas na kay Mabichon. One minute 15. Labaw. Wala. Rebound by number 5. Number 5 ngayon. Last touch. 1 minute.
Sige, kaya naman ang muda.
Sit down. Reverse. Foul caught. Number 2, number 5, warning for foul on. Stepping on the line. That's number 7. Labao. Take a pass for 3. Wala. Rebound. Quintana naman. 2 points. 35 seconds. Sabi Pong. Go, rebound. 30 seconds. Oh, hello. Jump ball, same ball. 23 seconds. Yes, back to for 3. One goal, rebound by number 2. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. And of this game, congratulations.